Hey everybody, it's Jay here. If you are a non-fiction author and you are about to start advertising on Amazon, it is really important to sort of ask yourself what is the objective of advertising? What do you want to achieve after advertising? I've met so many authors who are advertising on Amazon, and then they say it's not working for them. And the reason why it's not working for them is that you haven't even set an objective of why you want to advertise. So that's number one. Second, now you know your objective. Do you know whether it's achievable on Amazon or not? At the end of the day, Amazon is a marketplace. It's a demand and supply game. Right, it's easy to advertise in a place where there is more demand, less supply, as compared to where there is a lot of supply and low demand. If that's the case, I know that it'll be tough to advertise, right? So every author wants Ferrari, but that doesn't mean that Amazon will give Ferrari to everyone. So that's there. So setting expectations after you know what your objective is. In this video, we will talk about what are those high level objectives buckets where usually a book falls into. And this is based on my experience working with so many authors. And during the course of this time, I have realized that okay, these are the around seven buckets of objective, right? So yeah, so let's just dive into this. So one of the objectives could be you want to sell books to increase the brand. You usually have this objective if you have a lot of following outside of Amazon. Right, you're already a brand outside of Amazon. If somebody types in your name on Google, probably your face just show up, right? It's just that you are missing Amazon, which is the biggest book market place in the world, and now you want to do the same with Amazon. And why Amazon? Because if you have a book on Amazon, and if people know your face on Amazon, it just doubles your brand. Because if I have a problem and I want to learn something via book, Amazon would be the first place to go and search for a book. And if I see your face, you're already a sort of a brand in your niche. So that's number one. So in this case, probably you're okay with a higher advertising cost, but then you want to sell more books and the budget is not an issue. So that's one, right? Second could be you have a specific budget, when it comes to advertising on Amazon, and this is due to any financial situation, and and you have budgeted, okay, I'll spend $1,000 a month, say, on Amazon, not more than that. But you want maximum orders out of that, or you want to increase the order size within that budget. So again, the focus is not the advertising cost. The focus is, can we sell more orders, at least what we have currently, right? Even with a little bit higher cost, but budget has to be limited, as decided. Right, and then there are other, I've met other authors who says, you know what, it's okay. I mean, I want to create a brand, but then I want this publishing sort of a business or book business to be at least break even, right? Which means my royalties should at least match the spending that I'm doing in on Amazon. And to me, with that is perfect for me, right? So in order to do that, we need to see whether it's even feasible to do. When you say overall break even, and how the market is, how the competition is and stuff like that. But this is one of the objectives, right? And so yeah, so that's number third. Fourth could be, you know what, I have a book on Amazon. It's selling really really well, you know really well. That's 1,500 reviews, 1,000 reviews. And now I want to sell more via ads and want to be profitable via ads, right? So in this case, you are dependent on the income of your advertising and royalties per se, because you have you have reached a stage in the book sort of phase where you are already a brand. Now you want to use ads to be more profitable. How you can earn more money out of it, right? So that's one of the, and we have clients like that, right? So that's one of the objectives, but we have to see whether that could be the case or not, right? And you can easily figure that out through looking at the book cover, book reviews, book positioning. Definitely, an objective like this means that you're already at the top, or you have the top organic positions, right? Sell books with overall break even, the previous point. Typically you have about 100 sort of reviews, and you're not just at the top, you just before that, you're just about to go there, sort of a deal, right? And so yeah, so that these are could be another objective, to sell more books via ads, profitable, right, and maybe break even to start with. Now, the fifth one could be that you have recently launched a book, and it's a fairly new book, and you want to have some traction on the new book, right? And the whole idea of advertising this book is to understand how people would buy book like yours, right? To get some data at least to start with, and then we build, building out from that foundation, right? So that's there. So if you have a newly launched book, you can use advertising to get the data, and it also help you to rank organically as well when you are targeting the right keywords, right? And the sixth objective could be that it's your sales of your book has become so stagnant, right? And it's almost dried up, and you want to see whether there is still some heat left in the book, and you want to do that with advertising, right? And probably you were advertising, and but you shut it down due to any reason, and now you want to see whether I can do it again or not, right? And then the other books, which is very old, must be, and it's probably, it's selling on its own. You have some LinkedIn following, not that huge. People know you by word of mouth, and they are buying your books, not to the huge quantity, but you have never advertised this book, and now you are interested in seeing, okay, can I advertise this book, to see if we can double the sales or increase the sales what we have as organic word of mouth, right? So these are typically seven objective buckets where I've seen that books do fall into. There could be others also, but this is just based on my experience. Each objective here has a different strategy in terms of how we're gonna what kind of advertising strategy we're going to follow. It depends on your objective here, right? And then the strategy, different strategy will have a different bidding style, right? So I will cover these two other points in one of my other videos. For now, I hope that you can put your book in any of the buckets here, and what to do with that bucket, I'll probably cover in one of my other videos. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel so that you are notified for the future videos. And if you are struggling with your advertising currently, feel free to reach out. We can quickly meet for a call. I have put my calendar link in the description, and I love meeting new authors. I love looking at advertising data. Sometimes a small tweak can do wonders, so who knows, right? So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.